Hello everyone, welcome on Keyapp YouTube channel. And as you could remember previously, we announced the launch of our brand new platform, and you can already test it and share your feedback with support team, your personal manager, or just leave the comments under this video. And today we continue talking about the new platform, and particularly we will discuss how to set the campaigns for keyword promotion on brand new Keyapp dashboard. So let's get a closer look into how to set the campaigns on the new platform. Generally, all the functions that are available now on old platform may be found here on new dashboard, and you can work the same way. Of course, when you would like to set the keyword promotion campaign, the first thing you need to do is to add the application to the platform. That is the common both for old platform and for the new dashboard. So do not forget that you can add unlimited number of the apps both for Google Play and App Store, and of course if you work with keyword promotion we need to add the keywords. And if you would like to find out how to find the keywords for your application using our platform, just watch our previous video and we explain in details how to use new dashboard so to be able to find high number of search requests for your application. So here in my keywords you add the keywords. Do not forget that the number of search requests you may add is not limited, like there are no limitations in the quantity of keywords for which you can check the ranks as well as the popularity and the approximate traffic. After this, of course, after you added some keywords, do not forget that they should be added for each region separately, as the ranks depend on the country you work with, and the same way the keyword promotion works, like we work with different regions to increase the positions in different countries and to be in the top of the search list. And of course, search list is individual for each region where Google Play and App Store are available. So after you added keywords, we go to add campaign. The difference is that after you go to add campaign, you can choose this service you would like to work with, like keyword installs, direct installs, reviews with guarantee, as well as CPI or advertising campaign. So let's start with direct installs. Remember that it is just download, which is generated with the help of the direct link to your application on Google Play or App Store. So in general, of course, it is recommended to use keyword installs if your application may be found in the search list. So we choose the service of keyword installs, then just the comment section where you need to choose the store you would like to work with, then the application, and of course the country you would like to proceed with. As one more time, we remember that the ranks are different in all the countries, so we need to proceed with keyword promotion the same way. After this, we can already add some keywords in our campaign. First of all, if you would like to change the number of days in the campaign, remember that the minimum is 1 and the maximum for now is 14 days for keyword promotion campaign. You need to choose advanced mode. After this, you will be able to change the number of days in the campaign. Then we of course choose the keywords we would like to work with. Do not forget that it is possible to add several keywords within one order, and for Google Play, for example, it is even recommended to follow this strategy so to be able to increase the ranks faster and more efficiently, as Google Play algorithm reacts better to such type of promotion and the ranks of the promoted keywords increase even faster and better, and Google Play in general likes this type of promotion. Of course, you can change the number of downloads. The minimum number of downloads per day per one keyword is 5, both for Google Play and App Store. And here you can copy the number of installs for the particular day for all the keywords added to the campaign. Like if you would like to set the order with 8 installs daily for each keyword, you do not need to change the volume for each keyword separately, like to click manually. You can just use this button. Of course, as well, you can import the keywords from the file, and it is really helpful when you work with the high number of keywords in one campaign, like 50, 60, 70, and sometimes such campaigns are available for Google Play. They are recommended to use so to boost the ranks for this set of connected keywords simultaneously. At the same time, you still can add package or direct installs to the keyword campaign, as well as delete some keywords if you would like to repeat the campaign, for example, and add it so to be able to promote all the keywords depending on the ranks they already achieved. Here we see the typical section with rates and reviews, which is observed on old platform as well. But do not forget that these are not guaranteed rates and reviews. If you would like to work with high quality reviews where you have 30-day guarantee, you need to choose guaranteed reviews, and then we will be able to refill or refund the reviews if some of them do not go through Google or Apple moderation or just deleted by the store. So here you can choose the rates and reviews without guarantee, and we won't be able to refund or refill them. And actually here you may see as well the terms of use, and you need to agree so to start the campaign. After this, we see the installs delivery type. You can choose spread installs for 24 hours or all installs at once. If you work with new application that doesn't have a lot of organic and paid traffic, of course, it is recommended to spread the installs for 24 hours, so not to deliver all the traffic together. But if you have the application which is popular, that have a lot of traffic, you can add all the installs at once, especially if the volumes are not so high. But still, if you work with new application or with high volumes, for example, for the promotion of some competitive keywords, of course, it is better to proceed with spread for 24 hours. After this, you can leave the description for your order, so like to give any note to us, like if you would add some keywords to the reviews, for example, you can leave the description and we will see it in the order details. But do not forget the description is mostly used for high quality keywords where you put the keywords you would like to add in the reviews, as well as where you can put, for example, the nicknames for the reviews that are left on the store. After this, we see the notes. Actually, it's the same as on old platform. And one more time, if you work with keyword promotion, do not change App Store optimization like text and visual metadata while the campaigns are active, because we remember that both on Google Play and App Store, all these changes influence the positions for the keywords, and actually you can face the situation when you achieved some top positions, top 20, top 10, then you change the metadata and in one day you lose the position. So try to proceed with both of these processes, not simultaneously. Then we see the summary of the campaign, so it is possible for you to see what the order will be, what services you ordered, and how these services will be proceeded. And just typical buttons as on old platform, save as draft or start the campaign. If you start the campaign at once, that means that the installs will be started to be delivered within several hours. But if you save as draft, it means that you will be able to start this campaign later when you need. For example, if you work with personal manager, you can ask them to prepare the draft for you, so you start it when it is comfortable for you. And the same way from the manager side, they can offer you to prepare a draft, so to show the strategy to use or some keywords that they recommend to use in your application promotion. Well, in this video, we have discussed how to set keyword promotion campaign on new Keyapp dashboard. Subscribe to our channel, leave your feedback in the comments under this video, and in the future, there will be much more content about our new dashboard as well as about the promotion of mobile applications.